I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is famous Indian kings. अलग अलग टाइम पीरियड्स में एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में इंडिया में जिन किंग्स ने रूल करा था, अपना शासन चलाया था, जो अभी भी आपको प्रेजेंट डे में मॉन्यूमेंट्स के रूप में दिखने को मिलते हैं, हिस्ट्री में आप पढ़ते हैं, उनके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. India has been ruled by several kings. Thousands of years have passed and the country has seen several dynasties, rulers, emperors and conquerors. So India की जो history है, it is one of the vastest history that we have across the globe. बहुत सारे अलग अलग लोग आए, अलग अलग kings आए, अलग अलग टाइप की monasteries आई, सब आया और उन्हीं में से कुछ kings के बारे में अब हम इस chapter में जानने वाले हैं. What have they done and what are their names? Write the name of the following rulers in the space provided. Number 1. He was a brave Rajput king of the Chauhan dynasty who ruled the kingdoms of Ajmer and Delhi. He married Samyukta, the daughter of Jaichand, the king of Kannauj, and he is Prithvi Raj Chauhan. राजपुताना किंग ये थे, अजमेर और दिल्ली जैसी जगहों पर इन्होंने अपना रूल चलाया था. एंड ही मैरिड द डॉटर ऑफ द किंग ऑफ कन्नौज एंड हुज नेम इज संयुक्ता, डॉटर ऑफ Jaichand. Second, he was one of the greatest rulers in Indian history and the third ruler of the Mughal dynasty. He believed in religious tolerance and he is Akbar. ये greatest rulers माने जाते हैं Indian history में जितने भी rulers हैं, one of the greatest rulers for sure. Third ruler हैं ये Mughal dynasty के and ये religious tolerance में बहुत ज़्यादा believe करते थे and he is Akbar. Third, he was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore and a pioneer in the use of rocket artillery. The Tiger of Mysore will always be remembered as one of the most powerful rulers in India ever had, and he is Tipu Sultan. He was the pioneer of the rocket artillery, यानी कि सबसे पहली बार इन्होंने rocket artillery का foundation रखा था. He was the first person to establish it and to use it, and that is why India will always remember him as one of the greatest rulers India had. Number 4, he was the greatest emperor of the Maurya dynasty who left the path of violence and accepted Buddhism after Kalinga war. He is Ashoka and इन्होंने Maurya dynasty को rule करा था for a very significant amount of time, but after the war उसके बाद इन्होंने Buddhism को accept करा and he left everything. Number 5, he was the founder of the Maratha Empire and united the whole nation against the Mughals, and he is Shivaji Chhatrapati Maharaj, and he was from Maratha Empire और इन्होंने collectively पूरे इंडिया को unite करा था to fight against the Mughals. Then number 6, he was a king of Kushan dynasty. He was famous for his military, political and spiritual achievements, who later became a patron of Buddhism, and his name is Kanishk. He was from the Kushan dynasty and he was a kind of very much famous for the political aspect, spiritual aspect and the military aspect that he had during his reign, and later he became the patron of Buddhism. He patronized Buddhism and he also propagated the same. And lastly, 7th, he was the Mughal Emperor of India and he built the Taj Mahal at Agra and the Red Fort in Delhi. He is Shah Jahan. He was the Mughal Emperor. Taj Mahal इन्होंने build करा था जो आगरा में है, and he also built the Red Fort which is in Delhi, Shah Jahan. So students, with this we come to the end of this chapter. In this chapter we read about different kinds of rulers, kings that India had, some of them being really great, what kind of dynasty they ruled in and why they were famous. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको repeatedly practice करनी है, revise करनी है and do memorize them.